Oh well. Squirrel trapping season. And it's still brown. Well, brown, green. We haven't really gotten any snow yet. Mid-30s. I've been picking up, for the past week or two, I've been picking up the squirrel. Red squirrels and flying squirrels. One, usually about every other day. Yesterday I picked up a flying squirrel. I've got like 6 traps out. It's all I'm playing with. So, here's the creek down there. Still open. A little bit of ice on the edges in the morning. But, well, still looking for those birds. Ain't seen any in a couple days. I don't know if you can see it. The creek's right down there. Pretty soon I'm going to be setting for muskrat. Put some mink scents in. Alright guys. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Later.